Hey, Father's Day is coming up. Do you have a Father's Day gift idea all picked out? No? I didn't think so. I've got the one best gift that you could ever give him, and it's free. Seriously. Barry Smith here, Family with Purpose, and we've got a lot in common. We both have Father's Day coming up, and I happen to be a father with two super cool kids. I'm so proud of them. Anyway, I've got one of the best Father's Day gift ideas you could ever give to your old man, no matter how old he is. Seriously. But before we get there, if you've been watching our stuff and like it, could you hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to our channel right now? You can't imagine how much that helps us out here at Family with Purpose. Okay, so back to a great Father's Day gift idea. There's always the trusted tie or socks or cufflinks or other practical gift. You could give him breakfast in bed or even get him a gift card for a round of golf, and all of those are great. They really are. But I've got an idea for you to consider. What if you gave your dad and husband exactly what he wants? Think about it. So often, well-intentioned moms and wives want to plan out a fantastic Father's Day for their man. But let's face it, only a dad knows what it's like to be a dad, and he really knows what he really wants to do. And here's what he wants to do. You ready for this? He wants to do whatever the heck he wants to do and do it guilt-free. Now, don't shoot the messenger here. I'm just saying, dads want to do what dads want to do. And that very well could be spending a day simply hanging out with the kids, and especially if he doesn't see those kids as much because of work or divorce or they've grown and they're out of the house. However, when that's not the case, and the kids are always together, sometimes in the name of pleasing their wife and kids, dads will usually end up suggesting something they may not want to do so that everyone will be happy. For instance, for Father's Day, I usually pick or choose something to do that will make my wife and kids feel loved or needed or appreciated, or what would make them feel like they're taking care of me for Father's Day. And that's all okay. But dads often don't want to do just what's typically expected of them. Now, I realize that each dad is in a different phase of life. Their pressure at work, age of their kids, and age of their wife may play into what they say they want for Father's Day, but here it is, okay? Don't get mad at me. Let me suggest that some dads in a perfectly healthy family may just want to go out on the golf course for the day, followed by a few drinks with their friends, whether that's Mountain Dew, coffee, or some other liquid libation of choice. Or they want to work on their car alone. If you want to go over the top this Father's Day with the best gift idea ever, tell your husband and father, here's what you get for Father's Day this year. We're going to cook you breakfast in bed, and we're going to go out for coffee together with the family and hang out or go to church together if that's your thing, which is a good thing to do. And then you're on your own, Dad. Seriously, do anything you want to do. The wife could say something like this: I'm taking the kids to the mall or to Grandma's house or to anywhere else like a movie or something. So Dad, you can do whatever the heck you want to do. It's all on you the rest of the day and the night. You have no curfew. You have no expectations. You have no responsibilities. And you can go wherever you want to go as long as you don't hurt the family. Now, guys, time out here for a second. No strip clubs, all right? Don't ever do that for that matter. That's just stupid. Those girls are somebody's daughters, and it's just flat out unnecessary. Direct that attention to your wife. Anyway, okay. The wife could continue saying something like this: we can drop you off and you can Uber home and we'll pay for it. You can go fishing or hunting or go to a movie by yourself or with your friends and your buddies. You can take a long nap, or you can watch TV at home in your underwear all day long. You can work on your car, anything you want. And if you insist on spending time with the family today, that's fantastic. You pick where and how long you want to hang out with us. We'll even help you clean the garage if you'd like. Now, wives and kids, if you actually say something like this and you really mean it with truly no guilt for whatever he chooses, I'm guessing you'll make his day to be one of the best Father's Days that he's ever had, with the greatest Father's Day gift idea that you could ever give him. But he's got to feel that he's really free to be alone or with some buddies. It's a cool idea, isn't it? Anyway, what do you think? Do you think I'm crazy for even suggesting something like this? Am I out of my mind? Am I encouraging dads to be deadbeats and not love their family? Or could I possibly be suggesting one of the greatest ideas ever? I think so. The key is that mom and the kids have to really let him go and not be mad or shocked or surprised or otherwise upset with dad who wants to do something maybe with his buddies or by himself. That's the key to this thing working. If you can't do that, don't suggest it. Just get him a tie and spend the entire day together or doing what you always do. That's not a bad thing at all. I'm just saying there could be something to this idea that dad really gets a day for him, for whatever he wants to do, with or without the kids. We do it for moms. If they want a nap or some me time and something like that, dad is sure to take the kids on a day trip and give mom the time that she wants. And that seems acceptable. So the same goes for dads. Just think about it. And be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get the word out there. Until next time, be intentional in loving your family. God bless.